In an era of wildfires, hazmat spills, and mass casualty events, teamwork between agencies isn't optional. It's essential. The Orange County Fire Authority has made tabletop drills a cornerstone of its preparedness strategy, bringing together firefighters, police, hospitals, schools, and local governments to plan, coordinate, and strengthen trust before disaster strikes. Tabletop drills are discussion-based simulations where multiple agencies walk through a hypothetical emergency in a low-stress setting. No fire engines, no sirens, just decision-making, coordination, and communication. The goal? To identify gaps, clarify roles, and streamline teamwork before the real crisis hits. Exercises help different departments understand how they fit together during high-pressure incidents. Every tabletop session ends with sharper protocols and stronger relationships. Before wildfire season, OCFA runs Wild Land, urban interface drills, with partners like CAL FIRE and OCSD. Lessons from these sessions have directly improved real-world responses, thanks to strategies refined in a recent tabletop exercise. OCFA works with schools and law enforcement to plan for complex, multi-victim incidents. Hazmat response. Joint tabletop scenarios with environmental and health agencies help teams rehearse fast decision-making during chemical emergencies, ensuring smoother, safer coordination when it counts. OCFA's formula for effective tabletop training includes clear objectives. Each drill focuses on a defined goal, such as testing evacuation routes or ICS protocols. Inclusive participation, fire, police, EMS, hospitals, utilities, and schools all have a seat at the table. Realistic scenarios. Exercises reflect actual community risks and past incidents. Structured flexibility, guided by ICS forms, but open to creative problem-solving. After-action reviews. Every drill ends with an improvement plan to ensure lessons are applied. You don't need a big budget to start. Choose a simple local scenario, invite your key partners, use free templates, and focus on improving communication. The real value comes from collaboration and consistency, not complexity. Building a culture of preparedness. Tabletop drills go beyond testing plans. They build trust, familiarity, and confidence between agencies.